Are you looking for the best cordless stick vacuum in 2026 that actually saves you time and cleans like a pro? In this video, I'll show you the top 5 cordless vacuums that are powerful, lightweight, and totally worth your money. We've compared performance, battery life, suction power, and real-world usability to bring you only the best options. Links to all products are in the description below. Check them out for the latest deals. Let's jump right in. Starting at number 5. The Bissell Featherweight Turbo Stick Vacuum. The Bissell Featherweight Turbo Stick Vacuum is designed for those who want quick, hassle-free cleaning without dragging around a bulky machine. Lightweight, compact, and surprisingly versatile, this vacuum makes everyday cleaning feel effortless, whether you're tackling dust on hard floors or crumbs on carpets. One of its biggest advantages is its ultralight design, making it incredibly easy to carry from room to room or even up and down stairs. If you live in a small apartment, dorm, or simply want a convenient secondary vacuum, this model fits perfectly into your routine. It's built for speed and simplicity. Grab it, clean, and store it away in seconds. Despite its compact size, the Featherweight Turbo delivers reliable suction power for everyday messes. It handles hard floors, low-pile carpets, and area rugs with ease, making it ideal for daily touch-ups. The included attachments add extra functionality, allowing you to switch to a handheld mode for cleaning furniture, stairs, and tight corners. Another standout feature is its multi-purpose usability. In just a few clicks, it transforms from a stick vacuum into a handheld cleaner, giving you flexibility for different surfaces and cleaning needs. This makes it especially useful for quick cleanups after meals, pet hair on couches, or dust in hard-to-reach areas. Maintenance is also simple, thanks to its easy-to-empty dirt container and user-friendly design. There's no complicated setup or heavy maintenance, just efficient cleaning when you need it. At number 4. The Tineco Go Slim Cordless Vacuum. The Tineco Go Slim Cordless Stick Vacuum is built for modern homes where convenience, performance, and sleek design all matter. If you're tired of dragging around heavy, corded vacuums, this lightweight powerhouse offers a refreshing, hassle-free cleaning experience that fits perfectly into your daily routine. Right from the moment you pick it up, the first thing you'll notice is its ultra-lightweight and ergonomic design. It glides effortlessly across floors, making it easy to clean everything from tight corners to wide open spaces. Whether you're tackling hardwood floors, tiles, or carpets, this vacuum adapts smoothly, giving you consistent performance across multiple surfaces. What really makes the Go Slim stand out is its smart balance of power and efficiency. Equipped with multiple cleaning modes, Eco, Medium, and Max, you can easily switch between quick touch-ups and deeper cleaning sessions. And with up to 40 minutes of runtime, you can clean your entire home without constantly worrying about recharging. The vacuum also features a high-efficiency filtration system designed to capture fine dust and allergens, helping maintain a cleaner and healthier living environment. Add to that the LED brush headlights, and suddenly even hidden dust under furniture or along edges becomes visible, ensuring no spot is missed. Versatility is another major win. In seconds, it converts into a handheld vacuum, making it perfect for cleaning furniture, stairs, car interiors, and more. Plus, the easy-to-empty dustbin and removable battery make maintenance simple and stress-free. Coming in at number 3, the Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Plus. The Dyson Cyclone V10 Animal Plus cordless vacuum is where powerful performance meets total freedom. Designed for homes that demand serious cleaning, especially those with pets, this vacuum delivers the kind of deep clean results you'd expect from a full-size machine, without the hassle of a cord. At the heart of the V10 is Dyson's high-speed digital motor, spinning up to 125,000 revolutions per minute to generate strong, consistent suction. This isn't just surface cleaning. It's built to pull out embedded dirt, dust, and stubborn pet hair from carpets and upholstery with ease. Combined with 14 advanced cyclones, it captures even microscopic particles, ensuring your home isn't just clean, but healthier too. What truly sets this vacuum apart is its cordless convenience with powerful runtime. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free battery life, you can clean your entire home without interruptions. Whether you're tackling multiple rooms or doing a quick cleanup, the V10 adapts to your pace. Flexibility is another major highlight. In just one click, it transforms into a handheld vacuum, perfect for cleaning stairs, furniture, car interiors, and tight spaces. The included motorized tools are specifically designed to remove pet hair without tangling, making it a go-to solution for pet owners. The fully sealed filtration system captures 99.99% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, helping reduce allergens and improve indoor air quality. And when it's time to empty the bin, Dyson's hygienic point-and-shoot system ensures you never have to touch the dirt. At number 2, the Shark PowerPro IZ370 UK. The Shark PowerPro Cordless Stick Vacuum IZ370 UK is designed for people who want powerful cleaning performance without the premium price tag. It strikes a perfect balance between smart features, strong suction, and everyday convenience, making it one of the most practical choices for modern homes. From the moment you start using it, you'll notice how effortlessly it glides across different surfaces. Thanks to FloorDetect technology, the vacuum automatically senses whether you're cleaning carpets or hard floors and adjusts the brush roll speed for optimal performance, so you don't have to think twice while cleaning. One of its standout features is the anti-hair wrap technology, which actively removes hair from the brush roll as you clean. This makes it a game changer for pet owners or households dealing with long hair, eliminating one of the most frustrating parts of vacuum maintenance. Despite being cordless, the PowerPro delivers impressive runtime, up to 50 minutes on a single charge, giving you enough time to clean multiple rooms without interruption. And when you need more flexibility, it quickly converts into a handheld vacuum, perfect for stairs, furniture, or even your car interior. The vacuum also features a fully sealed anti-allergen system, capturing and trapping over 99.9% of dust and allergens, helping keep the air in your home cleaner and healthier. What truly sets this model apart is its thoughtful design. The flexible wand allows you to bend and reach under furniture without strain, while its lightweight build ensures easy maneuverability around your home. Combined with strong suction and smart automation, it delivers reliable cleaning across everyday messes. And finally, at number 1, the Dyson V15 Detect. The Dyson V15 Detect cordless vacuum isn't just a cleaning tool, it's a complete transformation of how you clean your home. Designed with cutting-edge technology and powerful performance, this vacuum turns everyday cleaning into a smarter, faster, and more satisfying experience. At the core of the V15 is Dyson's hyperdymium motor, spinning at up to 125,000 revolutions per minute to deliver incredibly strong suction. This allows it to pull out deeply embedded dirt, dust, and pet hair from carpets, while still being gentle on hard floors. Combined with advanced cyclonic technology, it captures even microscopic particles, giving your home a truly deep clean. What truly sets the V15 apart is its laser dust detection technology. A precisely angled green laser reveals hidden dust on hard floors, things you wouldn't normally see. It's almost like turning on a spotlight for dirt, making sure no particle is left behind. But this vacuum doesn't just clean, it thinks. Equipped with a piezo sensor, it detects and counts dust particles in real time, automatically adjusting suction power based on how dirty the surface is. The built-in LCD screen shows exactly what's being picked up, giving you scientific proof of a deep clean. With up to 60 minutes of fade-free battery life, the V15 is built for full home cleaning without interruptions. It also comes with multiple advanced attachments, including anti-tangle tools that make it perfect for pet owners and households dealing with long hair. Despite its power, the design remains sleek and versatile. It easily converts into a handheld vacuum for stairs, cars, and tight spaces, while its hygienic bin emptying system keeps your hands clean. So that's our list of the top 5 best cordless stick vacuums in 2026. If you want the best overall, go for the Dyson V15 Detect. On a budget, the Bissell Featherweight gets the job done. Let me know in the comments, which vacuum would you pick? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews like this. Check out the links in the description below to grab the best deals right now.